skies and stuff, and making. And I think on two of them, Aaron didn't even see the guy that ended up picking up the pass.
We were trying to mix up the coverages, showing him our base stuff, and then being able to give him different looks, tilt the coverages. But it goes back to, like we said the other day, the guys started making plays. The first half we called a lot of the same calls, and they executed. They made plays at a high level. And then, second half we kind of came out and we made some plays, playing a little bit, playing some man, mixing up his own coverage.
Do you think that, you're sitting at halftime making these adjustments, now you look at the film in the second half, that you're going to be able to say, it's our best game, we've made the adjustments, and it's also the best game the kids have probably had
I would, I obviously got to go back and watch the tape and before you make that statement, but you saw that there's enough talent there to be a really solid, good defense in the SEC. We know we can play with anybody in the country. It comes down in the SEC of making plays at critical times. You make those plays in the first half, and maybe it's 17-10 or 14-10 going into the fourth quarter. So that's the thing that we've got to do. We just got to keep putting ourselves in position every week and tweaking what we do based on who we play every week. So because every week there's a different dynamic.
Played Darius Slay a little bit tonight. He got the pick six. Just overall, what do you think of his performance?
It was good to see him play well. Obviously he's from Georgia, and to come in, he had a great week of practice. He prepared well, and then to come in and see him play at a high level was neat. He's a really good football player, and I think the ceiling's extremely high for him. We just gotta keep improving him week to week. But he gives us a chance of doing some things dynamically in the back end.
Yep.